In this video, you will learn about 11 phrasal verbs with meanings and examples. Figure out. Meaning. To understand or solve something. Example. He couldn't figure out the answer to the riddle. Can you figure this puzzle out? Point out. Meaning. To indicate or draw attention to something. Example. She pointed out the mistakes in the report. He pointed out the landmarks as we drove through the city. Bring out. Meaning. To produce or make something available. Example. The company brings out a new product every year. Music can bring out different emotions in people. Break out. To escape from confinement or occur suddenly. Examples. Several prisoners broke out of jail last night. A fire broke out in the kitchen and everyone had to evacuate the building. Work out. Meaning. To solve a problem or reach a satisfactory conclusion. Example. We need to work out a solution to this issue. Let's work out a schedule that works for everyone. Find out. Meaning. To discover or learn something. Example. I need to find out what time the movie starts. She found out that she had won the competition. Rule out. Meaning. To eliminate or exclude something as a possibility. Example. We can't rule out the possibility of bad weather. They ruled out any chance of foul play. Sort out. Meaning. To organize or resolve a problem. Example. I need to sort out my paperwork before the meeting. Let's sort out this misunderstanding between us. Check out. Meaning. To examine or investigate. Example. I'll check out the new restaurant downtown. He checked out the noise coming from the garage. Call out. Meaning. To shout or speak loudly. Example. She called out for help when she saw the fire. The coach called out instructions to the players. Phase out. Meaning. To gradually discontinue or remove something. Example. They're phasing out the old model of the car. The company plans to phase out plastic packaging by next year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.